Hello, Richard Wilson here, coming to you from the Family Office Club in island of Key Biscayne, where we're based at. I'm going to record the short video, so we're making a lot of progress strategically and with current clients. We have 58 current clients who altogether are worth well over $1 billion, and we advise on a couple hundred million of the portions of their assets related to direct investments. And I have been making big progress on virtual family office infrastructure lately. So helping with getting a family office quality CFO and all the accounting infrastructure that needs to go into place and having that be kind of plug and play ready for clients. Also having the direct investment components, helping them with a strategy on that, figuring out when they start their family office what their strike zone should be, or as they formalize it, what direct investments should they be doing in-house versus outsourcing to a best-in-class provider. And then on top of that, figuring out who should be doing the traditional wealth management private banking work. We don't do that component internally, but we now have agreements signed and in place with several wealth advisors and multifamily offices who, depending on your location or whether you're a dentist or a doctor or a business owner, whether you're based in Singapore versus London versus San Diego, we can help plug and play into some of these groups, which are very much aligned with kind of family office holistic planning mentality, or if values focused planning and next gen is more important than everything else to you. We have specialized wealth management firms that specialize in that area, or who are super deep and strong on the trust and estate planning side. So the exciting thing is that many times our clients say they feel like they're driving through fog, and that's why they reached out and read one of our many books or listened to the Family Office podcast and started working with us. And we now have a lot more of this virtual family office infrastructure to share with those who are looking to set up their family office. So if you want to learn more about this, please reach out to me directly. You can do so at richard@familyoffices.com. You can also check out some of our work at centamillionaires.com. It's Centa with an I, centamillionaires.com, or register as an investor client with us at privateequity.com. Take care.